Hello guys, in this video I will show you about the screen recording software Fast on Capture and how to reset it also to use it as unlimited trial version. So the site is Fast on Capture. Just type it in the Google faston.org. This is the site. Just reload it or if it doesn't work, just check in the second link. Yeah, you got this. Uh, just click on the first link. I'm just installing and downloading on desktop. Like this. You will see a screen like this. Click yes and go with the default steps and click on run. You will see a window like this. Just click on continue trial. So you can see it is a 30 days trial period and a icon will be launched like this in the right side of the window. I mean on Windows right side will get like this. Don't just click close that one and launch again from start menu, the shortcut. Every time when you launch this you can see like this. Just click this screen recorder. You will get multiple options. The first option is useful uh, just to capture any particular window. Let's say like I launched a VLC player. Let's say like this. If I select this one, and in the second option, if you see the record audio, if I select microphone, only the voice which I am talking that will be recorded on my device. And let's say if I am on some call, or if when I click on microphone and record, only my voice will be recorded. If I click on speakers, only the other person voice will be recorded. When I click on microphone plus speakers, both of our voice will be recorded. Understood? So when I click the window or object and click this, you see I need to hover over any of the object, any of the window, and when I click that one, the recording will start. Understood? So let me just stop this. Let me just cancel this. So instead of window, if I click on rectangular region, I will get an option to pick the particular portion which I want to record directly. Click on cancel. If I click on fixed region, you see only some portion of it. It will get recorded directly. If I get full screen without taskbar, this taskbar, the down, this won't be visible. Only the desktop will be visible, and you won't see these icons. If you click on full screen, it will record all the screen. And as I am selected with multiple monitors, and I'm showing you the second screen, it will ask me to select which screen to record. So I'll select the second monitor one. Understood? So it will start recording, and you will save in this kind of progress bar in another screen. If it a single screen is being recorded, it will be shown to you directly. Uh, just a progress if, a progress bar like this will be visible. That's it, mostly same. So to stop this, you can click here, or in the taskbar. If you go to the just one time before you here, it will be in the primary monitor, the or in the arrow mark in the hidden or in the hidden items. Just right click on that one and click on stop. or pause, stop, save, like that it will be. Or you can click on keyboard shortcut Control plus F10. It will stop the recording. It will stop the recording, but it will give you an option to resume, save, or discard. So this will be useful whenever, let's say I want to record some set of steps, and the first step itself taking some time to complete the progress. What I can do is the initial steps I can show, and till the second step is going to come, let's say it takes around 40 minutes. Instead of waiting that 40 minutes, I can just click on Control F10. This window will come, and after that 40 minutes progress is completed, I can click on resume. So the remaining part will be recorded now onwards, like this. Now the remaining part is being recorded again. After this processing, just wait for a few seconds. Um, like this it will come. So you can just click on stop, and the other option is save and discard, other two options. If you click on discard, that complete recording will be discarded. It will just delete. If you click on save, it will give option to save the WME file where I want to, and it will directly open in the media which we select. Understood. As I am already using another recording software to record this video, uh, the complete that media resource, hardware resource is being grabbed by that recording software. So this software is not being recorded now, and the video which it recorded didn't get captured correctly. But if you try to record from your end, it will perfectly work. Uh, so as this is day one, it will capture like this directly. Let me click on fast one, continue till. As I installed just now, it is showing this 30 days. But let's say my complete trial period is completed, and when you launch again on the 31st day, you'll get error as trial period is expired. At that point of time, you need to do some series of steps to get back that start trial option again. The manual steps I will show you. Software. There is a registry starting with a number. Just delete this one. And in app data and roaming and app data local there is one more folder with same name called Fastone. Just delete that folder and start these two folders and one registry. Then you can launch this Fastone again by clicking on continue trial. Or else I captured all these steps and created an exe. This one, just double click that one. It will do that things for you. Understood. So I will provide the download link of this exe in the description. You can download from there. If for some reason if the download link doesn't work in the future, just comment in the video. I will provide a new link for that one. Thank you. Thanks for watching this. Bye.